Hi everyone. So unfortunately I broke my phone and it's very broke, as you can see in all the sides, and the screen doesn't turn on or nothing is shown. So I'm gonna try to access the data or anything here by using the Samsung DEX, and for that I need a couple of things. First of all, I need this converter which I can use to connect using the HDMI and then the USB-C and the HDMI connecting to the monitor, and I have this keyboard which is connected to this bundle which I placed in here somewhere, and I have the power cable, so my phone will charge during this process because the monitor sharing using the DEX is going to be quite power consumption. So let's try to connect everything. First of all, the dongle, which is basically my mouse and my keyboard, are connected to this one. After that, I can just plug in the cable for power, so I can power my phone, and then the HDMI cable for the monitor. After that, all I need to do is just plug this in here. My phone vibrated, so it's most likely connected. Now I get to this screen. I see many people having this same issue and not able to move further. So there are a couple of things that we need to do here, or we can do here, and fortunately for me it works, and it might also for you work. One thing that you can do is by pressing the Windows key, holding the Windows key and the W, it's gonna switch on the other DEX mode, and not the portrait one, but just the landscape. And then here you can put your password. Like you would expect, using the mouse, you can do the cursor movement, plus maybe you can even use directly. I don't know what's happening, but yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just put the 4 zeros, and then boom, you're here. Again, if I go Windows W, switches to the portrait mode, and then back again, it goes to the landscape. This is one thing they can do. The other is, let me lock the screen. Come on. I think. Okay, now the screen is locked, but if for some reason the Windows key W doesn't work for you, you can pretty much just double press the space and then put the password and then hit enter. Double space, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it opens up. Actually, you don't need to put the enter, but it just works without pressing enter, and then you can move on with this. One other thing you can do is, if you, before you broke your phone, had the developer options enabled, you could, let's see, where is it? So USB debugging, if you had this enabled, you could install the, what is it called, the screen copy? Yes, the screen copy, and then you can pretty much mirror your, or visor would be also another solution. But I didn't have it here, so I needed to go this way. So yes, just to recap, if your phone is broken and nothing works for you, you might try to use the Windows key W to switch between portrait and landscape mode of DEX, and also double space and then put the password. It might work. So this worked for me. I hope it works also for you. Have a nice day. Bye everyone.